Yo, I am Oscar Duro. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like button on the way in. Make sure you give me a sub too. This is the unboxing of a Tuned in Tokyo mystery box. All right, here we go. Yeah, my microphone kind of got a little messed up in the recording, so we're gonna do a little voiceover. Turbo keychain. It's a rainbow color. I think it spins on the inside, but nothing more than that. This is the Takata backpack with the green straps on it. It's a little small, but still a dope backpack. Right. Up next we have a lanyard, a few stickers, and then we'll be unboxing the shirts. Here we go, Legends. Legends never die. Another one. Stickers and thank you note. All right, the first one. Tuned in Tokyo. Let's see what size it is. Make sure they got the right size. And no, they did not. So looks like that would be a short sleeve, a long sleeve, short sleeve undershirt, or a long sleeve undershirt. All right, let me tell you about this shirt real fast. I actually have this shirt on while I'm recording this voiceover. The fit and the feel is top notch. It feels good. Can't complain about it. It's a soft shirt. It wears real good. I'm gonna run this through the wash machine. Maybe give an update on these shirts. Maybe in about a month to see what happens. But I really like the quality of these shirts. Dope color. So go with my Jordans. That's the front. That's the back. Make sure y'all take a second to make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe, please. I'm feeling it. White, black one, Legend never die. Final one. Get the right size. Tuned in Tokyo hoodie. No sleeve marks or tags. Let's see what's on the back. We got the panda on the back. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the box that I got, the mystery box from Tuned in Tokyo. I like all the shirts, I like all the graphics. Keychains, everything, the stickers. The box is a top-notch box. I will be buying the fall box here shortly, and I'll be doing an unboxing of that soon. So make sure, like I said, make sure y'all subscribe, hit the little bell thing, the notification. Give me a like too. Yeah, I don't have any codes or anything for this. This is all out of pocket. Right now they are running a $100 sale. You get a mystery box for $100. Well worth it, well worth it. That's it. I will be buying another box. All right, y'all, peace.